The new Grammarly app works with any keyboard on your Android phone. Setting it up is tricky, so in this video, we'll see how to do that. So, let's get into it. The first thing we must do is download it from Google Play. Open the app and search for Grammarly. Then tap the install button. It will take a few seconds to install it, and once done, open the app. The setup requires a few permissions and we click Get Started to begin. Let's agree the terms and conditions. Then click Open Settings and from this list, find Grammarly. Tap on it and then enable this option. The second permission is allowing Grammarly to check any text on your screen. You must click Agree here to continue. Then your phone settings will open highlighting Grammarly. Click on it and then enable the top option. Allowing it will give Grammarly full access to the screen. However, Grammarly states that they only check your text and then remove it once you're done. So I think you are in good hands. This is the tutorial screen. We can just skip it. Then allow the notification permission. We still need to adjust the battery settings so Grammarly does not sleep. Click this Allow Permission button. Depending on your Android version, this screen might look different. First, click this drop down and choose All Apps. Then we need to find Grammarly from this alphabetical list. Tap on it to change the settings. Choose the option to not optimize the app. The Grammarly app is ready now. However, we need to sign in to use it. The option is on the top. There are multiple ways to sign up and in. I'll just put in my email and then my password. All done. As I said earlier, Grammarly can work with any keyboard. So let's try it out. I'm using Gboard to type here and there is a Grammarly icon floating on the screen. As you type, it will check for issues and it will only be visible when the keyboard is active. To fix issues, we can simply tap the correct word like this or tap the G icon to see all the suggestions. We can then tap on a suggestion to apply it. To the left is the writing tone, and we can try a different tone by clicking one of those options. All this is thanks to its Grammarly AI. This feature can do multiple things to modify your text. Let's say I want to improve it. It will adjust the text for you to see, copy it, and replace the existing text. We can also tap here to see more options. Selecting a part of the text and then adjusting it is also possible. Grammarly AI gives us 100 responses per month, which is plenty for many work types. Let's quickly see the settings. We can disable this floating icon, but I don't know how Grammarly will work without it. We can also display a permanent notification to disable it temporarily. Lastly, it comes with a blocked apps option to not check for text. If you want to block an app, simply drag the floating G icon and drop it to the bottom. You can whitelist an app from this menu at any time. So this was using Grammarly on Android. Thanks for watching and take care.